you think he will move?
Oh, I don't know, but he is good there.
He's really
Really good kid and very talented.
He's young, huh?
Young, talented, but you know here is difficult
Yeah, I mean,
to get playing time. You know, in his age, but
yeah, he is passionate.
Yeah, he has passion.
Yeah.
He has personality, and I like him a lot.
Yeah.
I like him a lot.
Yeah, it's
Hopefully, but let's see.
Yeah.
hello. I mean, if he has a teacher like you,
Yeah.
then
Yeah, we talk a lot.
yeah. You know, it's always like when you are number 10, then you know it's you can give it. It's like Emre with Haji. You know, like when Haji was playing in Galatasaray, then Emre came and then he learned a lot. This is very important.
It's good, you know, he's in Madrid, and yeah, he did well every time when he played, he does well. But to get into first team like regular, it's not easy.
Yeah, it's not easy.
It's not easy.
It's this time.
This time.
That's normal.
But he is.